channel. Today's video is a recipe video. I am going to share with you a simple snack recipe. The recipe name is pinwheel samosa. I am going to share you this recipe. For preparing the pinwheel samosa, I have prepared the chapati dough using wheat atta. I am not going to prepare the samosa using maida. I have taken 2 boiled potatoes, 1 cup of boiled peas, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and some salt for the stuffing. For preparing the stuffing, I am adding mashed boiled potatoes, then 1 cup of boiled peas, chaat masala and red chili powder. If you need, you can add some herbs and chili flakes also. Then garam masala, then some salt. So for the stuffing, I have added 2 boiled potatoes, 1 cup of boiled green peas, some chaat masala, red chili powder, and some garam masala, then some salt. So that's it. The stuffing for the pinwheel samosa is ready. Now we have to prepare the outer cover for the samosa. So for preparing the outer layer of the samosa, take some larger quantity of dough, not like the size for you prepare chapati. Take some larger quantity of dough and prepare the outer layer in the whole size like this. So after preparing the base in this size, now next step we have to spread the stuffing in all the portion of the dough. So take the stuffing and spread equally in all the parts. So spread the stuffing to all the portion like this. Then for preparing the pinwheel, just start rotating like this. You have to fold it like this. So after completing this step, you have to cut this into equal number of parts like this. So take each and every piece and just make a light press of this in this way. So you could able to see this is like a shape of a small wheel. So that's why it is called as pinwheel samosa. Actually we are not going to deep fry this in oil. Just I am going to do shallow fry. Yes, now the base for the pinwheel samosa is ready to shallow fry. So next step, just you complete the shallow fry, then this recipe will be over. So let us do the shallow fry of this base of pinwheel samosa. Fry this pinwheel samosa. I have taken the dosa pan. So in that I am going to I have added some oil. So after the oil gets heated, I am going to place this samosa on the pan. You have to cook in low flame, because if it is in high flame, the outer part will be cooked, the inner part will not be cooked. So you have to wait. So keep it in low flame and cook. Preparing this pinwheel samosa with potato and green peas. Other options like simply you can prepare with potato only, or else you can able to prepare with chicken also. So that is also other option for this dish. So this is a very good snack recipe. Evening time you can prepare for your kids. That will be they will enjoy a lot. So at the after it is you can able to see the layer that we have done. So the layer of the green peas you could able to see here. So that is why the recipe is a pinwheel samosa. It is like a shape of a wheel. So now after 10 to 15 minutes, so you can able to see it is cooked properly. So just I am transferring that into the plate. It is so crunchy and tasty and perfect snack recipe. You people guys try this at your home. Yes, the tasty pinwheel samosa is ready. So you can serve it with tomato sauce or with mayonnaise. That will be a very good combination. So do try this at your home and post your comments in the comment section. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment for the video. Meet you all in another video guys. Bye.